Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Circle K. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in inner-circle.circlek.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Circle K website. Just click on the sign up for free option and this will take you into the sign up portal. Just type in your phone number within the phone number box and then click on the Let's Go button. You will then be allowed to enter your email address and your password. Type in your desired email address within the email address box and then enter your password that you wish to set up for your account. After entering both of these, click on the second checkbox to agree with the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click on the confirm details and continue option, and now you will be asked to check your text and enter the 6-digit code that you have received. Simply check your SMS and enter this 6-digit code within, and click on the confirm passcode and continue option. Once you enter this password and continue forward, your account will officially be created, and you will now be able to use the Circle K services. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Circle K. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.